Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, which I want to cover with a layer of black paint, but maybe I can entertain you at the same time, who knows. It always reminds me of calligraphy. So I'll give myself a moment for a still so I can take a screenshot. This is probably, I'm going to assume because it covers really well, the Meeden black paint that is available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is that first blue link you see under the video. If you are not watching and don't have access to that link, you can always ask me in comments and I will give you that link happily. So I want to do a simple swipe, but I want to do it with a big acetate card. And it might be kind of boring because I'm thinking it's going to be a straight one. And what makes it different for me is that I want to use the white cell activator from Amsterdam with my American Floetrol. And I don't need this to be immaculately covered, but I'd like it to be a little tiny bit better than it is. Just to make sure there is nothing, just to make sure there's a nice even layer across everything. Sometimes it's important to notice when you're using a spatula which way the grain of the canvas goes, especially when there are these inexpensive canvases from Michaels that come from you know where. Okay, so I haven't used any of this Mysterious, which is just a deep teal. And I think I'm not going to worry about having one specific line all the way across. And a little bit of dioxazine purple. Never heard anything. That's from Hobby Lobby. The purple, that's a purple flash. That's a color shifting purple from Folk Art. This is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Which I cannot have too much of. And I might actually add some of my hot orchid. This is a cobalt blue, or so-called cobalt blue, from Artist Loft. I just want to spread that out right now, which is not really part of this process. Yeah, I'm not unhappy that I decided to do that, except for that it's a little plugged up. And when it comes out, it might come out really fast. I think I got a bad batch of Floetrol. Come on. Come on out. Come on. Holy. Wow. I really want to tip that. I don't even want to swipe. Maybe I'll just swipe part of it, or parts of it. Maybe I won't do anything except for tip. Maybe plans change. Alright, I'm going to do it anyway, even though it might be against my better judgment right now. But instead of using a large sheet of acetate, I'm going to use a small clothing tag. I always wanted to go just in one direction. I wonder if I maybe should do that. Whoops. I guess I just found out where my next spot would be. Not going in one direction. And I am going to put some more cell activator right on there. kind of looks like trees, which might be an idea for another time. I like dimensional things. I like creating the illusion that there's depth. I'm going to use all that right there. And any more I get right on the edge to blend it in. And keep going. Because the white is not extreme at all. Still reminding me of trees. Just not sure what those little dangly things are up there. Unless they're some kind of shoots. We'll just make a really abstract piece of art. And when don't we? And who's we? I'm going to switch sides. And just keep having some fun. Kind of want some orange in there. Since I'm not doing things in a conventional way, it really hardly matters. I'll just move it around wherever I want it. I think I want some of that paint right over there on that edge. After putting that orange in there, it kind of makes me want to put some of the Venetian blue in there too. No, I really don't know what it is, but someone will tell me what they see, and then we'll all know. Now I wonder if I could use a little tool and get away with it. But that is tempting fate because I really want to use another color. Let's tempt fate anyway. Excuse me. I want some more white. I also might want some more orange. I might want quite a bit more orange. Yeah, I like the orange in there a lot, actually. Very funky trees. Not sure about the trees at all, but It's the closest thing I can come up with. They just have these really spiky leafless branches at the top. I could throw some dots up there, or I just could keep playing with it until it fills in the top a little more. I could make some of those things hanging down too. That might be the ticket right there. Just add a few tendrils hanging down. Why not? I can just dip the edge of my tool in anywhere I please, really. Oh, these tools, there is a video on how to make these tools. So if you're interested and I didn't include it under the video, ask me. But look under the video, because a lot of times I do add that video. It should say tiny tools and acetate. I am almost done. In which case, I should tell you guys, please check out my link tree underneath the video. It has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. It has my Amazon link where you can find my 2 books. Because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, still want some of that blue. That's funny. I don't think it really needs it. I'm not sure about this thing here. Looks... I'll regret that later, I bet. We'll just let that fill in a little bit. Take a little bit of paint. Finish that mark off. Alright, I don't know which way is up, except for it was looking like it was the right way up to me while I was working on it, so I'm turning it around so you can see what I was seeing. The white cells are kind of subtle, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I'll just finish off the bottom. Funky, funky trees. It is what it is. It's a swipe. I might add a few connecting tendrils across the top just to make it blend in. But otherwise, please like my videos by giving me a thumbs up. This one's really different. But that's okay. Different is good. When you share my videos, you help my channel. Not that my channel is surviving well, but I love you guys. You do inspire me. Those of you who are left, I really appreciate you being here. I post 7 days a week. And 9:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can find me most of the time. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. It's what's keeping me here, other than the fact that I love you guys and you inspire me. So, what else should I tell you? There's Legalerist clothing, which is made in Montreal, exclusive clothing with some of my designs on. That's beautiful. You might want to check out. It's the top link on the link tree. I told you about Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, and the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, where you can see lots of stuff I've posted since 2007 on everything. And any shopping you do will help me out, including the spring clothing below the video, where if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me to add it, because I can. Same thing with pixels.com and Fine Art America. I can add new merchandise there. I do sell my artwork, and if you want to contact me, use my email address right below the video. Underneath Show More, underneath the link tree. What else can I tell you? My paint pouring recipes below the video. I have 2,200 videos organized by topic and genre, and if you're interested in something you can't find, let me know, and I'll give you a hand. Everything's organized on my end too, and if you have questions, please ask. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.